Okay, the directions say find the slope of the line. I can do this algebraically or graphically. Since they are graph for me, I'm going to go ahead and do it graphically. So I'm not saying the formula. What I'm saying to myself is slope equals rise over run. I've got to rise before I run. Remember that it does not matter which 2 points you use, and it does not matter which point you start at. What matters in the end is that you simplify and that you have the correct sign. Now, I'm already looking at this line and seeing that it's descending. As I'm going from the left to the right, this line is falling. So I already know that the slope is going to be negative. And at the end, I'm going to just double check and make sure that the answer I have is negative. Okay, so I'm going to start at the lower point because I like to physically rise when I say rise. And I'm going to count out the rise, and then I'm going to count out the run to get me to the second point. Okay, so the rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to rise or go up positive 5. And then I'm going to run, and remember I'm going to the left, so it's going to be negative. I'm going to run 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it into my slope equation. Slope equals rise 5 over run negative 4. I cannot simplify this fraction, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the negative out front. A positive divided by a negative is negative, and it's negative 5/4. That's going to be my answer. Now, before I move on to the next problem, I'm going to ask myself, do I like the sign on this slope? This is a descending line. I have a negative slope. I feel good about it.